Yo guys, what's going on? Printing Profits back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make 100% profit trading options, as well as use SPY as an indicator to your advantage when trading. So in this play, you could have possibly made 100% on your money in 5 minutes. So this is the trade I took today. It was on Tesla. And I also used SPY as a resource to accomplish this trade. So looking here on the 1 minute, we have Tesla on the left and SPY on the right. This is when it pushed in the last hour of the day, made new highs. We see SPY was able to push up to nearly 261. And so this is when I double trade puts on Tesla. And so when I was trading these puts, I was trading same day expiration at the money puts. When you trade same day expiring options, the price is extremely volatile. The premium is extremely volatile, especially within the last 2 hours of the day. So what I saw here on Tesla is basically we see SPY and Tesla both have its run up, correct? So we see Tesla top out around 524. This is its resistance right here. And so at the same time, we see SPY pushing, okay? And we see both of them top out. Both of them have a little bit of pullback. We see it pull back here in the shaded area, pull back in the shaded area. And we see them both bounce off of the 21 EMA. And so when we see this on the right here on SPY, you can see SPY bounces hard, right? You see it push past its previous resistance and make a new high of day. However, at this exact moment, Tesla pushes but is not able to breach high of day. So you can see it start wicking on the top. You see it wicking, forming smaller and smaller bodies. So you see nice strong moves, nice strong bounce, big green candle, smaller candle, some wicks on the top, okay? When you see this, we see SPY running and Tesla consolidating. And so seeing how Tesla has been following this market pretty nicely, we see that it's had similar pushes to SPY. This tells me that Tesla is most likely going to pull back because SPY is having an extremely bullish run. But we can't say the same for Tesla. And knowing that Tesla follows SPY and seeing it not push up with SPY on this big run, on this big rally right here, indicates to me that Tesla should come down. So I know that as long as since Tesla is not pushing while SPY is rallying hard, once SPY reverses, I know that Tesla should have a big drop along with SPY, but even more so because it's not rallying as hard. So seeing this, I see here that I'm watching it, right? I see it bounce. Tesla not making new highs, SPY making new highs. Okay, so I'm like, okay, I have a plan. I'm gonna get in Tesla puts when SPY hits a reversal. So I watch it push up. I see SPY have an extremely long body. I can see here on the stochastics, topped out right around the 99 mark. That's an extreme value on the stochastics. RSI also topping out. And so I'm like, okay, I see a nice little red body on Tesla, and I'm like, okay, here's the risk reward, right? I can enter here. I can enter Tesla at this red body and have the potential for it to come all the way back down to support, right? And I can just easily, if SPY continues to rally and Tesla happens to break out, I can easily just cut my losses here. This is about a 50-cent stop loss. I can stop myself out of Tesla if it just decides to break high of day. But the potential for profit is so much larger. So I'm like, I don't need a confirmation on this. The risk reward is good enough for me to enter prior to this breakdown. So I enter a same day at the money put. When you're going in and out of in the money and at the money on a same day expiring contract, the premium is able to jump much larger, while at the same time you have a little bit more risk because it also can lose that premium just as easily if it goes the wrong way. So it's very risky. So I only played a small position here, but I bought a 520 put. So when it comes down to same day expiring contracts, it needs to expire in the money, right? The contract needs to expire in the money. So when it goes in and out of the money and goes into the money, then the premium skyrockets. So I bought a 520 put contract, 520 Tesla put at this point of reversal. And then I see SPY tops out, starts coming down, right? And so I see Tesla breach through the 21 EMA, but the volume's not too strong. So I see that, I'm like, okay, nice solid drop. I'm gonna take my profits. That was about if I remember correctly, a 32% profit. So here's the trade I took. I was in at 220 on the 520 put and exited at 290. Okay, and that's in the matter of what, 2 minutes. Okay, and so I took my profit there, but I feel like I could have played this a lot better because as you can see here, we have SPY continuing to come down. We see it breach here. SPY is breaching the 21 EMA. So what I could have done better is I could have seen that the stochastics is coming down, the TTM squeeze is coming down. Okay, this downtrend is apparent, and I could have been expecting it to retrace back to the support. So I could have easily seen that the volume was picking up on the sell side. I could have watched and see if it could break through the 50 EMA or hold. And you can see that if I had held and I had done that, just that, the stock attempted to bounce off of the 50 EMA, but fell through. And if I had taken profit down here at 515 at the support, when the stochastics is topping out, when the TTM squeeze has formed a peak, that would have been a 100% profit play. So, like I said, I'm not the perfect trader. I'm not going to claim to be the perfect trader, but I just want to be able to share with you how I trade, how I've made my plays. Yes, this was a successful play. Green is green, and I'm proud of that. But I want you to be able to learn from what I could have done better. So, if you have any other questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. Feel free to add me on Twitter at Printing Profit. I do a little bit of technical analysis for free for you guys, just so you can get a little sense. I want to help out people that are learning, give them an idea what to look for in the markets. So you can see here I made a call on the symmetrical triangle on SPY, and we see that it later broke out, and it broke out, came back to support, and you know what happened from there. It ran all the way up to nearly 261. So yeah, just feel free to check out my Twitter at Printing Profit, and you can ask me some questions on there. You can ask me questions in the comments, or you can even add me on Discord if you want. If you have any other suggestions for content, or if there's anything you want me to cover, feel free to let me know, and I'd be glad to help. I'd just like to thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.